Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this tutorial I use this color and this 2.2 millimeter hook. Actually we need some sequins. I use this 5 millimeter sequins here. Then need a thread and really thin needle. Okay, let's start. For a start, this bag we have to add our sequins into this needle. You can do it like this, or you can put them by your hand like this. Grab some sequins and put them here. It's a little hard for me here, but okay. Like this. You have to add all of this sequins into this thread, and then after that, like this, we have to put yarn here. Put yarn here like this, put sequins into this yarn, like this. I added half of this sequins into this yarn, and when I use them all I will add more. So we have to start from the bottom of this bag, and I want to show you with a thicker yarn how I just crochet bottom of this bag. You have to make a circle here. So I'm using this 5 millimeter hook for this yarn. For a start, this bag we need a magic ring. Okay, a magic ring and a chain. Then 6 single crochet into this magic ring. 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, then another one, 6. This is round 1. Now a slip stitch top of very first single crochet here, round 1, finish. Round 2, chain 1 just for a start, 2 single crochet in each of this single crochet, totally 12 single crochet, 1 and 2. You have to put a stitch marker into first single crochet of each round, and you won't lose your stitches, like this. Okay, into next single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 2 single crochet into next single crochet, 1, 2, another 1 into next, 1 and 2, 2 single crochet into next, totally 12 single crochet into this round, one and 2. Okay, now for close round 2, a slip stitch top of very first single crochet here, a slip stitch, round 2 finish, round 3 chain 1, a single crochet into first single crochet. Now put a stitch marker into very first single crochet of round 3, in this round we increase into next 2 single crochet, 1, 2, into next 1 single crochet, 18 single crochet in this round, 2 single crochet into next, 1 and 2, a single crochet into next. So 1 increase and 1 simple single crochet into next increase, 1, 2, then a simple single crochet into next, again increase into next, 1, 2, then a single crochet into next, again increase into next, 1, 2, then a simple single crochet into next, again increase, 1, 2, then a simple single crochet into next, then increase into last one here, 1 and 2, then a slip stitch into very first single crochet, round 3 finish. Before I start round 4, I forget about this kiss clasp frame. This is 9.5 centimeter and 3.5 inches. For this kiss clasp frame you need about 40 or 50 gram of this sequins. Okay, now round 4, chain 1 just for a start, then a single crochet into same place. Put a stitch marker into first single crochet always in this tutorial. Okay, I just put this here. In this round 2 single crochet, then increase, so another single crochet into next, then increase 1 and 2, then 2 simple single crochet, 1 and 2, then increase 1, 2, then 2 simple single crochet, 1, another one to next, then increase, into next, 1 and 2. So 2 simple single crochet, 1 here, the other one into next, then increase, I come back here, now for close round 4, slip a stitch, top of very first single crochet, and this round finish. Chain 1 just for a start, a single crochet, put your marker here into very first single crochet. From this round we just increase, now 3 single crochet, 1 2 1 2 3, then increase. Next round we make 4 single crochet, then increase. After that 5 single crochet, then increase, and continue. So 3 single crochet, 1 2 and 3, then increase. Then 3 single crochet, 1 2 and 3, then increase. Okay, I just write pattern here for each round. You have to crochet enough to reach length enough of this kiss clasp frame, and I come back. Now after round 5 I just crochet with this yarn, a slip a stitch, top of first single crochet. I just want to show you another round and then write the pattern. Chain 1 just for a start, a single crochet into same place. Now put a marker. This is 1 single crochet, another one into next, 2, another one into next, 3, another one into next, 4, then increase. now 2 single crochet into next, 1 and 2, then 4 single crochet, then increase, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then increase, 1 and 2. Okay, now I just write the pattern.